What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie and today I'll be showing you how to achieve a cut crease on hooded eyes. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead and brought you in a little bit closer so that you can see what I'm doing. I did one eye off camera in the interest of time, so I'm just going to show you on this blank eye what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off with a base. I usually use concealer or an eyeshadow primer, but I've recently started trying using lipsticks as a base and they've worked out pretty great for me. So since this look is sort of orangey, kind of earthy, I'm gonna go with this orange lipstick and it's from Clean Color. It's the Madly Matte Lipstick. So I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. professional eyeshadow brush and I'm going to just put that on the eye. I'm not gonna go down as far as the lid. I'm gonna go up into the crease with it. So just take a little on the brush and just place that onto the eye. You're not gonna start blending yet. You're just placing it on the eye and then you will blend it out. When I place that on the eye, I'm going to blend that upward to distribute the color. Ensure that it's blended out properly. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to go in with is my transition shade. So I'm going to start with this light orange shade from the BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to put all the information for the things that I'm using down in the description box. Just making sure that yes Lord, the patter come out. I'm just making sure that I get it on the eye and I'm patting it on and then I'm blending it out. Alright, so next I'm gonna put this khaki shade directly over the edge to just blend it out just a little bit. And if you're noticing that color is kind of diffusing the orange just a little bit. After that, I'm going to use this burnt orange shade and I'm blending in short back and forth motions, starting on the outer crease, and then I'm blending the remaining of the shadow on the inner crease. Alright, so the next color I'm going to go in with is this dark shade. So I'm holding the brush upwards and I am placing the color onto the crease. I'm just taking my time and stamping it on. Now you want to use a small brush like this because you want to control the amount of color that goes onto your eye. You don't want to use a bigger brush that will give you a larger area. So that will probably make the black go out of control or the dark colors go out of control. So if you're using dark colors, use a smaller brush so you can control basically control where they're going and you won't end up looking like a raccoon. Alright, so I've placed the color on the crease and I'm just blending it out now. And I'm using small circular motions to blend this out. And then I'm taking the rest using windshield wiper motions onto the inner crease. So I'm just putting some on my lid as well because I'm not going to be doing a full cut crease. Alright, so if you feel that the color is a little bit too dark for your liking, you can always go back in with the orange shade that you used before and just blend out the edges to kind of tame the black. Alright, so now that I have gone ahead and blended out that eyeshadow to my liking, I'm going to do a half cut crease. And for cutting the crease, I'm going to use this flat concealer brush. Because I have hooded eyes, how I get the cut crease to show up is I put some concealer on my lid and then I open my eyes as far as they would go, and then that would show me how far I need to cut the crease on my eyes. So I've done that and it's given me a basic outline. Now you have to be very patient with this, guys, because you don't want to spoil all that blending that you've done. Just take time and stamp that concealer on. So once you've cut it, you just blend out that concealer that you used to cut the crease. Next, I'm gonna use this bronze shade from the palette, and I'm gonna use this as my main lid color, and I'm placing it where I put the concealer. So on the inner part of the lid, on this section, I'm just gonna put a little bit of a lighter gold shade to give it some dimension. Not to totally overtake because the look should be bronzy, but I just want it to transition a bit. So it goes from a lighter kind of gold color to the bronze color. The next thing I'm gonna do now is to blend out that harsh line that's right here. I'm gonna dip into that burnt orange shade. I'm just going to blend out the edges just a little bit. And then I'm going to go into the dark shade that I used to darken up the eye. I'm going to pat that on to the lid and then taking my time, short windscreen wiper motions, and then just blending it inward. Alright, so we've blended, we've cut the crease, and the next step now is to use a liner and draw a small, thin line right on top of that cut crease. So usually you can use a glitter liner for this, but I'm using a liquid lipstick from Clean Color. It's their Madly Matte Metallic Lip Gloss. Metallic Lip Gloss Madly Matte. But anyway, it's a part of their Madly Matte line, and it's horrible as a lipstick. I'm just putting it out there. It's horrible as a lipstick, but it is great as a glitter liner. So that's what I'm going to be using it for today. So I'm just using whatever is on the applicator, and I'm using a very thin detail brush, and I'm just gonna take my time. I'm gonna go really slowly, and I'm gonna draw a line at the top of my cut crease. So just take your time here, guys. No need to rush because you don't want to mess up all that hard work that you did. That is the glitter liner done. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, guys, is put on my lashes. All right, so now that I have the lashes on, I'm just gonna blend those in with my natural lashes. And for this, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now mine is running out. Like I need another one of this. Or maybe I can try the Voluminous Lash Paradise because I hear that it is rivaling how well this works. So I might give that a try because this one is pretty pricey. The next thing you want to do is apply liner. You just want to disguise the lash band. So you're just going in with a thin line. Alright guys, so that is it for the completed look. I really like how it turned out, and I just had to add the hoops because I just love hoops. I think they go with everything. Anyway, if you want a complete look, including foundation, contouring, highlighting, that sort of thing, just go ahead and make a comment and I will be sure to get one of those done for you. If you're watching still and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the notification bell so that you never miss an upload from me. I'm Carrie, and until next time, stay classy. Alright, so I've gone ahead and was so close. The high look. All right.